So exercise 10.2, in that question number 8, a quadrilateral ABCD, here it is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. That is AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So this side plus this side is equal to this side plus this side we have to show. So here given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, it is a quadrilateral, circumscribe in a circle and touches at points P, Q, R and S. So this is the given data. So what we have to prove, that is we have to prove AD, that is AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay, this we have to prove. We know that is from 10.2. What we know, the tangents drawn from any point outside the circle, the lengths are equal. The lengths, this we have seen. So that is by seeing this diagram here, from this AP is equal to AS. See here, this is a circle and this is A is any point outside the circle. So we have drawn a tangents from this point, that is AP and AS. Okay, so AP is equal to AS. This is the 10.2 theorem. So in the same way at point B, BP is equal to BQ. That is BP is equal to BQ. Okay. So and at the same time at point C, CR equal to CQ. CR is equal to CQ DS. Okay. So now adding. So here LHS, all LHS equal to RHS. That is AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay. So now you see AP plus BP. This is AP plus BP one side plus CR plus DR. Okay. CR plus DR. So here this is one group. So AS plus BQ. Here AS plus DS. Here AS plus DS. AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. Okay. So now like this. So here AP plus BP, what it is? Plus BP. That is equal to AB, no? So here AB plus this is AB. Here CR plus DR. That is CR plus DR. That is equal to CD. Which is equal to AS plus DS. That is AS plus DS equal to AD. Plus BQ plus CQ. Here BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. Okay, this is what we wanted to prove. That is AB plus CD. So this plus this is equal to this plus this. Okay, see here AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So this is what we have proved. Here exercise 10.2, in that question number 9. In figure 10.13, this is figure 10.13. Okay, so XY and X dash Y dash. Here XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C. Here this is one more tangent AB. Okay, intersecting XY at A, here at point A, and this is at point B. Prove that AOB is equal to 90 degree. That is here AO and B. So this angle is equal to 90 degree we have to prove. So here we have joined this O to C because this AB is a tangent. So this point of contact C. So we have joined here. So now from this we know that here as AB is tangent and OC is the radius, then OC is perpendicular to AB. Okay, this is theorem 10.1. So OC is perpendicular to this AB. So hence angle ACO is equal to angle BCO is equal to 90 degree. That is ACO and BCO. So this angle and this angle will be equal to 90 degree. So from this theorem we will consider this triangle, that is AOC. So this triangle, okay, and this triangle, that is AOP. Okay, consider triangle AOC and AOP. Okay, in these two triangles we will make some congruency so that we can find out this angle and this angle may be equal. So here first one, so OA is common, okay, for both triangles. OA is equal to OA. This is a common side. Now you see, this is OC is radius and OP is also radius. OC is equal to OP. This is radius of circle. Now this is a tangent. So here, as A point is a tangent drawn from A is a point, here A is a point drawn from this point, that is tangents, that is PA is equal to AC. P is equal to AC, that is tangents drawn from outside point are equal, that is theorem 10.2. okay. So now by Trebel's congruence rule, both triangles are similar. So hence by CPCT, so angle, this one AOP, angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. So angle AOP, this angle is equal to this angle, because this angle is equal to this angle. So hence we will consider triangle. So here these two, this triangle and this triangle, BOC and BOQ, So here also same thing. See here, OC is equal to OQ, that is radius of circle are equal. So now this is a common point, that is OB is equal to OB, that is common. So now here this is also same, point B outside of the circle, tangents. So a tangents have been drawn, BQ and BC. So BQ is equal to BC. These are tangents drawn from external point which are equal. Okay, this is 10.2 theorem. So hence Trebel's congruence rules, as per Trebel's congruence rule, so both triangles are similar. So now here in the same way, angle BOQ is equal to BOC by CPCT, congruence rule. So hence this angle and this angle will be equal. So now what we have done, we have considered this triangle and this triangle, and we have made these two triangles are similar, and afterwards we have equated this angle with this angle. Okay, because this angle and this angle are same, because both the triangles are similar, and this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So hence this angles both are equal. And in these two triangles also, here BOQ is equal to BOC. So what we have done here, this is a PQ line, here PQ line. So this is, okay, this is A, and here this is B. Okay, and this point is C here, this point is C. So we have made this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, like this we have shown. So now we will consider all this angle this, and this angle and this angle. All the sum of this angle will be equal to 180 degree. So angle POA, this is O point. So POA, this is POA plus angle AOC plus angle COB, okay, plus angle BOQ is equal to 180 degree. You see here POA, this is POA is equal to COA. Here POA is equal to COA or AOP equal to AOC. So we can write 2 into POA. Okay, so here you see POA and AOC. Okay, POA, that is AOP, and AOC. We'll write this one as AOP only. Okay, AOP. Both are same. So AOP and AOC are equal. So I'll write this one as 2 of AOC. Okay, because both are equal. So plus COB and BOQ. So 2 of COB. Okay, COB is equal to 180 degree. So like this I can write. So this will be equal to 2 into common AOC, okay, plus or BOC. COB can be written as BOC is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so AOC plus BOC is equal to means what? Here AOC, this angle plus this angle. So what they have asked, this angle only they have asked. This is equal to 90 degree. So that only we have to prove it. AOB is equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So here exercise 10.2 in that question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of the contact at the center. So here basically one circle is there. Okay. So there is a one external point. Okay. From this point two tangents have been drawn. Here only one tangent and here one more tangent. Okay. So this is two tangents have been drawn from here. Okay. Prove that this angle between these two tangents, this angle, this is theta, this angle to be is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment. Here line segment joining by this one. This is center of the circle. This is one line segment joining here point of contact to center, and from this point of contact to the center. This is supplementary to the angle, this angle. Okay. So this angle is supplementary to this angle. Supplementary means what? So this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. So that we have to show. So joining the points of contact. So this we have to show here. So here in this the angle AOP, that is this is angle OAP. Okay. The angle OAP is equal to 90 degree because OA is perpendicular to PA. Okay. This is theorem 10.1. The radius of the circle is always perpendicular to the tangents drawn. This also we know, and also we know that angle OBP is equal to 90 degree because OB is also perpendicular to PB. This is also tangent because PA and PB are the tangents drawn from external point P. Okay. So hence we know that the angle sum property, because in quadrilateral OA PB, here all the angles, internal angles sum, that is sum of internal angles is equal to 360 degree. So now sum of internal angle means what? Angle P plus angle A plus angle O plus angle B. This is equal to 360 degree. So here we know that angle A and angle B, this is 90 degree plus 90 degree. Okay. So here angle P plus angle O plus 90 degree plus 90 is equal to 360. Okay. So hence angle P plus angle O is equal to 360 minus 90 plus 90 180. This is 180. So P plus O is equal to 180 degree. So hence the angle P and angle O, they are supplementary. Hence angles P and angle O are supplementary to each other. So exercise 10.2 in that question number 11. Prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. That is, one circle is there. Okay. So here a rhombus, that is a quadrilateral is there. Okay. A quadrilateral is there. So here, so this one circumscribing, this is a rhombus. So this external structure should be a rhombus. So here let ABCD is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Circumscribing a circle with center O. Okay. So now this quadrilateral touches the sides of this quadrilateral at P, Q, R and S points. P, Q, R and S points. Okay. So now we have to show that this parallelogram is a rhombus. Rhombus means what? Here in rhombus, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So this we have to prove. That is, AB is equal to CD and also BC is equal to AD, and all are equal. Okay. And all are equal. So that we have to prove. So for that, consider at point A. Here this is a circle and this is an external point, and these are the tangents, that is AP and AS are the tangents. So hence AP is equal to AS. Okay. So in the same way at point B, okay, BP is equal to BQ, that is BP is equal to BQ, and at point C here CQ is equal to CR, CQ is equal to CR, and at point D here DR is equal to DS. Okay. So now add all these points, LHS with LHS and RHS with RHS, that is adding. So now we will add this one. So here AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. Okay, I have interchanged this one CR with CQ, so that CR and DR, so AP and BP we can make equal. So here AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay, see here AP plus BP, here AP plus BP, so CR plus DR, that is CR plus DR. So here AP is equal AP plus BP, so that is equal to what? AP plus BP is equal to AB, we can write. So CR plus DR, that is equal to CD. Here AS plus DS I will write. Okay, this AS plus DS, which is equal to AD. Okay, plus BQ plus CQ, here BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. So now from this one here for quadrilateral, that is for parallelogram, AB is equal to CD, this is AB is equal to CD, and BC is equal to AD, so BC is equal to AD. So we will substitute. So in place of AB, CD will write, or CD, AB will write. So AB plus CD, in place of CD I will write AB, is equal to AD plus BC. So AD plus here also AD. So now here, so 2AB is equal to 2 into AD. Okay, 2 cancel. So AB is equal to AD. So AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD means, see here, AB, this side is equal to this side. So when this side is equal to this side means, so this side is also equal to this one, and this is also equal to this one. So hence this is a rhombus. So hence here ABCD, this ABCD is equal in all sides. In all sides are equal. So hence it is a rhombus. Okay. Exercise 10.2. In that question number 12, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. Here this is radius is 4 cm, such that the segments BD and DC, here BD and DC are divided by the point of contact D or lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. So we have to find out AB distance and AC distance, we have to find out. So here he has given 6 cm and 8 cm. So when this is a point external which are drawn as a tangent to this circle, this is 6 cm means this is also 6 cm. Okay, and here this is also 8 cm. So from this point to this point. So now we will construct, this is 6 cm and this is 8 cm. So let us consider this one X and this one X, that is A to this point and A to this point. So this will be here F and E. Okay. So now we will join these lines, that is C to O and O to B, like this, and also this line. This is construction. So here we have to write that construction as join AO and CO and BO. Okay. So here we have to find out this distance, that is AC and AB means we know the distance between C to F, that is 6 cm. That is AC is equal to CF plus FA. Okay. So this is CF we know, that is 6 cm. This is X. So we have assumed here. So AC is equal to X plus 6, that is AC is equal to X plus 6. So 1. And in the same way AB is equal to, here AB is equal to 8 plus X. Okay. So this is one distance and this is one distance, and this is BC is equal to, here BC is equal to 8 plus 6, which is equal to 14 cm. So one side is AC, one side is AB and another side is BC. BC is the another side. How to calculate this x values means, because we don't know the distance from A to O also. So if you know this one, you can able to calculate this one with the help of this theorem, that is tangent theorem and Pythagoras theorem. But we don't know the distance from O to A. So now the solution is, we have to find out first area of the triangle, that is area of triangle ABC first. Okay. So here sides are what? Here AC is equal to x plus 6 and AB is equal to x plus 8 and BC is equal to 14 centimeter. So these three sides we know. So we have to find out triangle ABC area. So by knowing this area, we have to equate these three triangle areas. So after that, this area of the triangle, we have to equate it to the triangle area, that is area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC plus the area of triangle BOA. So this one, that is this area of triangle and this area of triangle and this area, that is this one. So this area of the triangle is, we have to equate to this area, so that we will get the x value. Okay. So now we will first calculate this area, that is triangle AOC. Area of AOC is equal to, that is AOC is equal to half base into altitude. Here base means x plus 6. Okay. And altitude is here center. This is 4 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this is equal to 2x plus 12. This is area. So now second one, area of BOC is equal to half of, okay, BOC means here BOC, half of base means 8 plus 6, that is 14 into 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 14 to 28. So this is 28. This is 2x plus 12. So now area of BOA, so which is equal to half of, that is base 8 plus x into altitude will be 4. So 2. So here 16 plus 2x. So 2x plus 16, this is 2x plus 12, this is 28. So these three areas we have to add, and after that we have to equate it to the area of triangle ABC. So now this is total area. This total is equal to 28 plus 2x plus 12 plus 2x plus 16. Okay. So here 28 plus 12, 40 plus 16, 56 plus 4x. So this is 1. So this RHS, this is equal to RHS. So now we will calculate this area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, area is equal to square root of here s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. A, b, c are the lengths of these sides. Okay, so here s is equal to x plus 6 plus x plus 8 plus 14 divided by 2. So which is equal to, so 2x plus 28, okay, divided by 2. So this is equal to s, and here 2 you can take common, x plus 14 divided by 2, here 2 cancel. So this is equal to x plus 14. So here, okay, so now we will go for calculation of area. So area is equal to, s is equal to x plus 14. So square root of here x plus 14, here s minus a, s minus means s is this one, x plus 14 minus of a means here this x plus 6. So x plus 6 means x minus 6, because minus of plus will be minus. So here into s minus b, s means again x plus 14, okay, minus b means minus x minus 8, then s minus c, that is x plus 14 minus 14, okay. So 14 cancel. So here area is equal to x plus 14, here 14 minus 6, that is 8, x cancel, okay, this is 8, and here x cancel, 14 minus 8 will be 6. So here into x. So now area is equal to 8 6 48x into x plus 14. So this will be, area is equal to 48x square plus 14 into 48. So this is 14 into 48 equal to 670. 672 x. So this is square root. So here let it be this area is equal to this one. Okay, this is LHS. Okay. So now equate LHS with RHS. That is 48x square plus 672x. This is square root. This is equal to 4x plus 56. Okay, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So here 48x square plus 672x. Okay, this is square root. This is whole square is equal to 4x plus 56 whole square. So now here this square root and square will be cancelled. So 48x square plus 672x is equal to a plus b whole square. That is a square means 16x square plus b square, that is 56 square. So this is equal to 3136 plus 2 into 56 into 4x. So this is equal to 448x. Okay. So now we will bring here 48x square minus 16x square plus 672x minus 448x minus 3136 is equal to 0. So 48 minus 16 is equal to 32. Okay, 32x square plus here 672 minus 448. So this is equal to 224x minus 3136 equal to 0. Okay, this divide this whole equation by 32. So here this is x square plus 7 into 32, that is 224. 7x minus this is 98 equal to 0. So here the factors are 14 and 7, that is 98. You can say 14 and 7, that is x square plus 14x minus 7x minus 98 equal to 0. Okay. So here x into x plus 14 minus 7 into x plus 14 equal to 0. So x plus 14 and x minus 7, these factors. So each factors if you equate, that is x equal to minus 14 and x equal to 7. So these are the two values. So here negative values we cannot consider because lengths are not negative. So x equal to 7. So that is AB here. X is equal to 7 means, so here x is equal to, this is 7 centimeter. So this is equal to 7 centimeter. So total AB and AC has asked. Okay, AB and AC. So AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 7 plus 8, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So AC is equal to what? 6 plus 7, that is 13 centimeter. Okay. So exercise 10.2 in that question number 13. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral, here this is a quadrilateral ABCD. So opposite sides of this quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend a supplementary angles at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle they are supplementary. So now here construction is, we can make construction, that is join this line from O to R, O to P, O to Q and O to S. That is join lines OQ, OR, OP and OS. Okay, like this. Here these lines have been drawn because see these points, that is DR is equal to DS and CR is equal to CQ and BQ is equal to BP and AP is equal to AS, because these are the external points, they are drawn, tangents have been drawn to the circumference of this circle. So now I will rename these angles as, so this one is equal to this one 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, like this I will rename. So now consider triangle AOP and AOS. Okay, here AOP and AOS, this triangle and this triangle. So what we have to prove, that angle A and angle here, this angle A, that is, so now here by considering angle AOP and AOS, AO is equal to AO because this is a common side. Okay, this is a common side, and OP is equal to OS because this is a radius of circle. Radius of circle are equal, that is equal, and here AP is equal to AS, because these are tangents drawn from external points are equal. Okay, so hence from Trebel's congruency rules, so both triangle, that is triangle AOP and AOS are similar. Okay, they are similar, and hence the angle SOA, that is AOS, that is SOA and POA are equal. They are equal. SOA and POA are equal. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So this is 1. So in the similarly we can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, and angle 5 is equal to angle 6, and also angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Okay, in the same way you can consider these two triangles and we can make similar. So these two triangles we can make similar, these two triangles we can make similar, so that they will be, angles will become equal, like this. So after this one, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 r is equal to 360, because the sum of all the angles will be equal to 360 degree. Okay, so here angle 1 plus angle 2, here angle 3 is equal to what? Angle 3 is equal to again angle 2. See here, angle 3 is equal to angle 2. So here angle 2 is equal to angle 1. So like this. So plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4, means here 3 I will write. So angle 5 plus here 5 I will write. So angle 7 plus angle 7 I will write. So this is equal to 60. So 2 into angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 7. Okay, this is equal to 360 degree. So here 2 into angle 1 plus 3, here angle 1, angle 3, angle 5, angle 7. Okay, plus this is equal to 360 divided by 2. Okay, this 2 here. So here this is equal to 180 degree. Hence here angle AOB and COD, so here both are equal to 180 degree. Hence we can be able to show, in the similarly we can show others also. So this is hence proved. Thank you.